Enabling two-factor authentication on your Expedia account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Expedia account. Visit the Expedia website and log in using your username and password. Ensure that you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon on name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Privacy. Click on this section to access your security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enable it, which may involve verifying your email or phone number. Step 5. Complete the setup. After enabling two-factor authentication, you may need to enter a verification code sent to your email or phone. Follow the instructions to complete the setup process. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Expedia account, enhancing its security.